today we'll try to explore one more new topic, and this is related to the credential vaults. So basically, we have multiple credentials we can store. So the first thing I'm showing here is um, Windows credential. So for that, we need to go this manage Windows credentials. So once you open that, you can see the couple of the things. So generic credentials. So as of now, I created this techystack. So let me remove this one, and I will create the fresh one. So just go to generic, add generic credentials. So once you click on that, it will ask this network or network address. So if you can do 1237 like that network address, if it is fine, or else if you know the specific name, so you can update here. So as of now, I will update TechStack. This is my network or domain address, and later we need to update this username. So whatever, if you have the mail IDs, we can update the mail IDs, or if you have something XYZ names, so you can update that. So as of now, I'm taking dummy one. Okay, and I'm updating the password. Okay, later you just click on that OK. And if you see here, the TechStack credential has been created. So now go back to the UiPath Studio here. So let me go back that. So if you want to run export that credentials from this, so you need the one package. So which we called, let me go here, UiPath credentials. So you need this package. So uipath.credentials.activity. So just set with this name and you just install and click on the save. It will upload the package to your UiPath Studio. After that, you want to fetch the data now in the credentials. So for that, credentials, or you can mention get credentials. CRE. You can see this here. Add credentials if you want. You can add credentials. So that's fine. You can it. So you can just, as of now, we are taking this get secure credentials. So just drag and drag. So after this, you can see this target and going back to this properties. So under this properties, we can see done some things like target. So target, which is nothing but as our name. So let me open that. So this is our target. So here target is techstack. So just update this techstack. Okay. So as it is, you can mention. So if you mention something wrong, it's a case sensitive, it won't work. And what is the password? So where you are to saving that password. So I'm saving the password in password variable. Already I declared. So let me update this password and username. So you can just store in the username. Okay, this is done. So now I will just checking this in the format of message box. Let me drag and drop. So I'm updating the username and here I'm updating the password. Okay, I'm just running this one. So now you can see this. So it got read the techstack credentials, and later you can see this output. So my mail ID is this one. So username and the password. So basically, it's saying is secure system dot secure dot secure string. So basically, the password is an encrypt. So we need to decrypt that. So for that, what we need to do now? So we need to do this small thing. So let me show you here. So just remove this, enter the password, and update this new system dot net dot network credentials. After that, we need to pass string dot empty. After that, whatever the variable you are storing, so that password you need to update here. So I'm storing the password in password variable. So just update the password after this password. So this is a small syntax. So which we need to update this. So once you updated the syntax, so just it converting the secure string to the string, normal string. Okay, just updated that, and I'm running this one. So after this, you can see this text stack, this mail ID, and the password. So you can see this password. This is a password I updated. So here only the one thing is disadvantage is, for example, the same bot, if you want to run in some other machine, we don't know that XYZ missions we are once you deployed in the production. No? we need to run some other missions, but we don't know the passwords. And passwords, some organizations every time it changes, like every 3 months or every 1 week, or sometimes it's changing for every 1 week or 2 weeks if it is going to the bank things. So that time, every time the passwords are changing, it's very difficult to go and update these passwords in the credentials measures. So that's why we are using the some other credentials, which is updating called assets. So if you store the passwords in assets directly, you need to go to this orchestrator and just update the password. So that one also I will explain in the next tutorial. So please stay with us and try to subscribe this channel.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.